In this Sound Collective offer from Novation, Fuse Audio Labs are offering a free copy of their Bucket 500 analog delay and vPre 2C vintage mic preamp emulation plugins, as well as a 50% discount code to redeem against any product in the Fuse Audio Labs range. To access this offer, you need to have a qualifying hardware product registered in your account. Log into your account at customer.focusrite.com. Head to the My Software page, where you'll find both parts of this offer, the 2 free plugins and the 50% discount code. Let's start with the plugins. Click here to get your code and copy it. If you already have an account with Fuse Audio Labs, then go ahead and log in. If not, click this link and create an account. You'll then receive an email. Click on this link to activate your account. Next, click this link, which will add both plugins to your basket. Paste your code here and click Update. This will reduce the basket cost to 0. Now complete the checkout process, and you'll be shown your activation codes as well as links to the product pages where you can download the plugins. Keep this page open. You'll need the authorization codes in a moment. I'm going to download the installers from the product pages like so, using the login details that I just created. Run the installers for both plugins, and then open your music making software and use the codes to authorize the plugins. The 50% off code can be redeemed at the checkout. If you have any issues with this offer, you can contact support using the link in the description.